What you need to get started: a Square Scrub EBG 20C machine, a microfiber carpet cleaning pad, Square Scrub Encapsulating Carpet Cleaner, a CRI certified upright floor vacuum, a spray bottle or pump sprayer. Vacuum the carpeted area by making 2 passes at about 2 feet per second. This will help remove any loose soil. Remove all of the machine weights. Mix the Square Scrub Encapsulating Carpet Cleaner with water at 8 ounces per gallon. Pre-spray the carpeted area. Allow the chemical to set for 10 minutes prior to cleaning. Submerge the microfiber pad in the carpet cleaner and water solution. Once the microfiber pad is completely wet, twist to wring out any excess chemical. Tilt the machine back and remove the driver pad. Place the microfiber carpet cleaning pad onto the machine. Make 2 passes over the carpeted area at a rate of 1 foot per second. Periodically, re-wet the microfiber pad with the carpet cleaner. Allow the area to dry for at least 30 minutes, then vacuum the carpeted area again.